In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect HubSpot CRM to Messenger. This integration can be a game changer for your communication strategy as it unifies your customer interaction into a single platform, making your CRM more versatile and efficient. So, let's dive in and get started with this simple step-by-step guide. The first thing you need to do is navigate to the HubSpot user guide. This guide will provide you with all the necessary information and support you might need along the way. Once you're on the HubSpot dashboard, look for the section labeled Connected Apps. Clicking this will direct you to where all your currently connected apps are listed, which is your gateway to integrating even more tools and services. Next, you want to locate and click on the Go to App Marketplace option. The HubSpot App Marketplace is where magic happens when it comes to expanding the functionality of your CRM. Here you can find a variety of applications that are compatible with HubSpot, including Facebook Messenger, which is our focus today. In the Marketplace search bar, type in Messenger and let it work its magic. This search will yield a few results, but the one you're particularly interested in is Facebook Messenger. It should appear right at the top of your search results. After you've spotted it, go ahead and click on Facebook Messenger. This will take you to a detailed page where you can learn more about what the integration entails and how it can benefit your CRM capabilities. But for now, let's stay focused on the installation. Once you're on the Facebook Messenger page within the Marketplace, you'll see an option that says Install. Click on that to begin the installation process. Remember, having Facebook Messenger integrated means all your messages are funneled into HubSpot, already linked to your customer profiles, ensuring you have all interactions organized and accessible. Now that you've clicked Install, follow any additional prompts provided. HubSpot may ask for permissions or require you to log into your Facebook account to authorize the connection. Ensure that you've enabled the necessary permissions to allow HubSpot and Messenger to communicate effectively. This step is crucial for the seamless operation of the integrated service. And there you have it. With a few clicks, you've successfully integrated Facebook Messenger with your HubSpot CRM. What this means for your workflow is an improvement in managing customer communications with easy access to conversations and data all in one place. I hope this guide was helpful and you're now equipped to take full advantage of this integration. It's all about creating a streamlined, efficient communication strategy that enhances both your team's performance and your customer's experience.